Okay, we're going to look at another way of systematically recording results now. Okay? What we're going to do in this table is we're going to roll this dice and we're going to spin this spinner. A dice goes from 1 to 6 and this spinner has 1, 2 and 3 on it. What we're then going to do is add the totals together and record it in here. So you look, there's 1, 2 or 3, that's the possibilities on the spinner. 1 to 6, that's the possibilities on the dice. Okay, so if you got a 1 on each and you add them, you'd get 2, wouldn't you? If you got a 1 on that and a 2 there, you get 3. If it's the other way around, you'd still get a 3. Do you see how these are sort of totaling up in diagonals? Similarly there, that would give you 4, 4 or 4, 4 and 1 or 2 and 3, 2 and 3 and so on. So that would give you 5, 5 or 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. There's only 2 ways of getting 8 and there's only 1 way of getting a 9. Those are all the different totals we could get. So that'd be the first bit done. That would be these two put together and added. Once we've done that, we can set about answering some questions on it. Look, it says, what's the probability of 6? Well, look, there's 1, 2, 3 ways of getting 6, aren't there? So the probability of 6 is 3 in, and if we look at it, we've got 18 different ways. Now we could write that as a fraction, 3 over 18, but we might also spot that 3 divides by 3 and so does 18. So this could be written as 1 over 6 or 1 in 6. So there's a 1 in 6 chance of getting a total of 6 from spinning that spinner and rolling that die. Now the next bit is the sort of expected number. It's the number we're most likely to get. It doesn't necessarily mean the number we will get, but it's the most likely one. So they've asked us, if we did this 30 times, how many 6s would I expect to get? Well, what we do is we do 30 times the probability. Yes? And if you remember, if you multiply by a fraction, you divide by the bottom. So that would just be 5. So the expected number would be 5. Remember, fraction, you divide by the bottom, you multiply by the top. Now that doesn't mean we would always get 5 if we did it 30 times. It's just the most likely number that we would get. Okay, you should now be able to have a go at today's exercise. Have a good day.